Hello, guys. How you doing? How you doing? Master Kelvin FX here. Welcome to another video. El Dorado FX always trying to bring you the best analysis and forecast as possible in gold. And also we'll see a little bit of US30 as usual. So for now, what we're going to do is just do a recap of what happened today, which was very interesting. But anyways, let's jump straight into it. Remember that we offer signals. If you want to receive daily signals, we provide them on a daily basis in our Telegram channel. So just contact us if you want to receive signals. And we also want to point out that everything we do here is not financial advice. We just basically analyze the market, give our view, and you guys have to basically take responsibility for your investments. Okay, so this is not financial advice. Anyways, let's go into it. We see that today it wasn't really a massive day because we can see the closing again of our basically bearish candle once again, and this time we see that it closes below the trend line. So we're gonna jump into that in a sec, but for now let's see what else we can find on the price action that's been happening in gold. The only thing we can see on daily, gold is dropping right now and it's approaching to our entry at 2,603 that we gave yesterday or today for today, yeah. But unfortunately, it didn't hit. But still, we managed to get some profit in our signal group because we have managed to handle entry from there as well. Buy entries, we sold more than buy today, but yeah, it's always good to have guided entries, guys. So come and jump into our signals. Okay, so if we will see this gold today move was a bit dodgy, let's say that way. So it went up first and then dropped 190 pips. That was the movement of today that we already provide that move on our Telegram channel. So if you want to be part of our Telegram channel, just let us know. So this is what I'm expecting, and quickly I'm gonna jump into that. We're gonna wrap it out everything we see here because at the moment, if we go to 4 hours, we see that the price has closed below the trend line, and we need to look for other things that if we break this demand area, most likely, especially the psychological level 2600, then is when gold might fly up, okay? But we're probably gonna have also some sort of manipulation going to the downside to get more liquidity. So let's see what's gonna happen. But for now, because I see this move, the only thing I'm gonna do, guys, is to be honest, is going outside the zone and move my entry to this level right here. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. That's the only thing I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna get buy entry because I believe that gold will take liquidity and fly. This is my thinking on this entry model because many times happens that gold go out of the sun and yeah, and that's it. This is what is going to be our next entry. So very simple. 2000, check for confirmation between 2600 and 2593. Okay, check confirmations. I'm sorry, 294. Okay, buy trade confirmation 2600 to 2694. Okay, and then the target, the entry idea would be 2000, sorry, 594. My bad. 2,594 would be the preferred entry, targeting 2,703K. And the SL, that would be our SL again 60 pips. We're gonna do 60 pips, so we be in this case, and let's choose 87 as a so yeah, so 94 and then sorry 88 in this case. Okay, 60 pips. Okay, this would be our buy entry. Okay, not getting blind by the move. Okay, let's have a look. If we get our liquidity grab, we should see something like this. Price coming down, grab liquidity, hit our entry, and go up. But remember always to check core confirmation, guys. Okay, so let's establish very properly our entry, 2,594, 2,600, and 85. We say that was the, sorry, 2,700 is the profit target that we have as a swing. Remember that you still need to start taking profit, guys, during the move, but you still see that. Okay, so this is the setup that I'm thinking about. Would be a sell to buy, some manipulation during Asia and London for sellers, and then buyers coming back in again. That's what I'm expecting, especially there is a lot of news around going on. So we need to see what's going to happen. Okay, guys. But for now, we have to remember that this is a very strong demand zone, a very big psychological level. We might have the reversal before, but we need to see the price action in the morning is where we reevaluate. For now, remember this is an anticipated entry. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so we have to move the trend line accordingly, and we see more touches, so meaning this is a strong zone, but we still need confirmation still. Okay, especially if it go decided to break it and go to our entry area, we need to be sure that we check confirmations in there. All right, we also gonna do a sell entry, guys. In the sell entry, we're gonna take it from the supply zone, which is up here at the moment. It's sitting in here. But once again, let's have a look. Sorry, there is a lot of drawing around. We're gonna take this one out and amend our sell idea. Okay, because but remember, this is in the, we need to evaluate the price action to be able to take entries. It's not the same thing as projection as taking entry. That is why we suggest to always, if you don't know how to analyze the market and take entries, to always go for signals. Okay, especially if they are good signals for signal provider. Okay, so at the moment, we're expecting a little bit of code going into this area here, and then possible retracement as well, or deep retracement to buy around 2,550 area. Okay, this is would be a good area as well to try a buy in the future. But for now, we're trading what we see. Okay, so let's have a look. This is another level here, very good to think about buys. But for now, let's see, we have this area right here that we can think of a buy idea, okay? But for now, we're gonna, sorry, a sell idea. So let's go and do our sell position. So we see, most likely, my guess would be to get an entry of 2,629. All right, that would be the entry price. And 2,635, sorry, 2,550 would be the profit target to that area that we mentioned before. And then the stop level 2,600, 2,635. All right, this would be the idea entry, and then the zone we have it there would be between 2,624 to 2,633. All right, this in the case that could decide to sell as well, because as we see we have very strong trend lines here. Okay, so let's go for the sell idea, to type it down so you guys have an idea. So check for sales confirmation between 2,624 to 2,633. That will be the area. The entry will be at 2,629. The TP will be, in this case, 2,550. That will be actually the standard TP. So we have 595 probably as at the main 94, sorry. Yeah, 95, sorry. And then we have 2,555 as a standard TP. So our SL, this case, it would be 2,635. Okay. So that will be our two setups, thinking about checking confirmation, look for confirmations, and then we see what happened. Okay. So for now, we got a lot of levels. We see gold that is dropping. We see that from the top here that's being in a rally down now. We have to take it seriously because it has been a good dip retracement. I'm expecting at least another 200 pips more downside to the downside before I start buying again, as I was trying to establish here this buy this buy area here. Okay. Let's now go into US30. Very interesting guy, US30. As I said to you before, guys, as long as US30 remains above our purple area, what will happen? It will buy. So hopefully you guys benefit from this move, which is from the purple area in the last 2 days has given more than 700 points. Now it's probably targeting this high, and let's see if you guys get a retracement, and then from the retracement you can buy once again. So these are the prices that you can check for buys once again if you get a retracement. So let's say if tomorrow and if it takes the high, then we expect this area. It could be this one, it could be this one for retracement to keep buying up. Okay. So it could be these two areas that we can have for a retracement. Okay, so this will be the scenario that I would suggest to go. Remember, the first thing is moving up, take liquidity, and then drop down and up, either from, yeah, we can say from 42,402 to start looking confirmations. But better area prefer this one, so it's a little bit of correction and then keep going up. Okay, 42,212, 42,122. I remember where a star area always will be the orange and the purple. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for listening. Remember, we are Eldorado FX Master Covering FX. Wishing you all the best on the market. If we are here for you, remember we provide signals. Remember to follow us on YouTube. Remember to recommend your friends and family to watch our videos and follow us, guys. Thank you very much and take care. See you next time.